Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzloff at TurnKeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee, just like this property behind me. Today we're in the 38117 taking a look at a property that we personally renovated turnkey. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in an A-plus class area. Let's go take a look. Today we are at 1340 South White Station Road in Memphis, Tennessee. This property has a square footage of 1,323 square feet, and it was built in 1954. 2-car drive, one leading up to the left side of the home, the other directly in front of the home. The roof is less than 5 years old. Brand new exterior paint, beautiful landscaping out front, cedar shutters, brand new. Cedar columns out front, brand new cedar door. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning into our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living room. Hard surface flooring in this home here. The living room overlooks the front yard. Beautiful natural light coming into this property. Love this built-in bookcase. I think it adds quite a bit of character to the home. Just off of the front door here, we do have the coat closet. That hard surface flooring flows into the bottom, wire rack shelving up top, and a rod to hang coats on. Exiting the living room, we do have an EN kitchen here. This area right here is perfect for a dining table. Here we have the kitchen, brand new cabinetry in the kitchen, new quartz countertops as well, brand new dishwasher, brand new stainless steel sink. Pardon the tape, this property has been winterized. Brand new microwave vent hood and brand new range. Just off of the kitchen overlooks the backyard, by the way. Just off of the kitchen, we have the laundry room with a stackable washer and dryer. Brand new energy efficient lighting throughout the home. New interior paint throughout the home as well. Before we dive into the bedrooms, let's talk numbers. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $229,000 flat and a target monthly rent of $1,650 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 6.93% and a cash-on-cash return of 4.47%. Your total cash needed to close would be $63,975, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $238.16. Let's go take a look at those bedrooms. So I first want to show you the primary just off of the living room. This is a split floor plan. Split floor plan means that we have the primary on the opposite side of the home of the rest of the bedrooms. So here we have the primary bedroom. It overlooks the front yard. Lots of natural light in here. We have that brand new energy efficient lighting in here. Brand new carpet. This bedroom could easily fit a queen bed and a dresser with room to spare. Let's take a look at the closet for the primary. Got brand new carpet, flows into the bottom. Wood shelving up top for storage. Let's take a look at the attached bathroom. We have brand new tile flooring in the bathroom, tile surround in the shower, brand new tub, new toilet, and new vanity and countertop. How precious. New lighting in here and brand new mirror as well. All right, heading to the other side here. Let's go ahead and take a right. Here we have the HVAC system. To the left, you have access to the kitchen. Continuing forward and taking another right, we have bedroom number 3, or bedroom number 2, apologies. Brand new carpet in bedroom number 2. This bedroom could easily fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare. Carpet flows into the closet. Wire rack shelving and a rod up top for storage. Continuing down the hall, we're gonna go ahead and go to the very end of the hall, take a right, and here we have bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 could easily fit a queen bed and a dresser. Brand new carpet in here as well. Once again, all new interior paint throughout the home and new lighting, new blinds as well. This bedroom overlooks the right side of the home if you're facing the home and the front yard. Very spacious bedroom. Here we have the closet for this bedroom. That carpet flows into the bottom, wire rack shelving, and a rod up top for storage. Directly across the hall here, we have bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 could fit a queen bed and a dresser with room to spare. Carpet in this bedroom. This bedroom overlooks the right side of the home and the backyard. Closet for bedroom number 4. That carpet flows into the bottom, wire rack shelving, and a rod up top. For bedrooms 2, 3, and 4, we have a shared bathroom just off of bedroom 4 here. New tile in the bathroom. New tile surround in the shower. Brand new vanity and countertop. At the very end of the hall, we have a storage closet here. That hard surface flooring flows into the bottom. We have wire rack shelving up top. And just off of the bathroom, we have the linen closet, the water heater closet here. Brand new water heater. Now I'm gonna take you out the back door off of the kitchen and let's take a look at the backyard. Here we have a beautiful backyard. It is fenced in with chain link fence surround. Here you can get a good view of the back of the home and the roof. Pardon the barking. We have a very sweet neighbor that wants to be in the video. Beautiful exterior paint on the back of the home here. This home does come with a storage shed, which is perfect for your residents to store their lawnmower to mow the backyard and the front yard. New paint on the storage shed. Now this property is in the school district of Sea Isle Elementary, which is a 5-minute walk from this property, 4 minutes away from Colonial Middle School, and 6 minutes away from Overton High School. Sea Isle Park, which is a popular park here in Memphis, is a 10-minute walk. Litcherman Nature Park is 5 minutes away from this property, which also connects to the Green Line. It's a beautiful nature park. This property is also 3 minutes away from shopping and grocery, like the Fresh Market. And it is 5 minutes or less from major transportation routes like Poplar Avenue and I-240. Great location, beautiful home. Thank you so much for going on this property tour with me. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We would love to hear from you. Bye.